I'm familiar with some of the claims that are made in the article, but the reporting we have is that the article is coming today, and it will include allegations from several women against Les Moonves.
What is your take on what this would mean if these allegations do materialize? What would this mean for the stock? Is this a very poor timing for the future of Leslie Moonves to be called into question?
Well, absolutely. I mean, not only is Leslie Moonves one of the last old school Hollywood moguls, he is perhaps the most closely identified CEO with his company of all media companies. He is CBS, and CBS is Les Moonves. So for there to be any change at that company, if he leaves or if he's demoted or whatever happens, that would be gigantic for CBS. And just the timing of this happening in the middle of the fight of his life with Sherry Redstone over the future of CBS and whether the company will be combined with Viacom, it could not have come at a worse time.
I mean, it really is, Julia, the stuff of a Hollywood movie that might be produced by CBS with a very uncertain ending right now, with shares down 6%.
Very uncertain ending, and I have to say, Sarah, this whole trajectory, remember there was that legal battle over control of some of National Amusements for Sherry Redstone's father, Sumner Redstone. Now we have this legal battle. I mean, it's interesting just seeing the analyst reaction come out to this. I mentioned the Cowen report. We just got another report out from Barclays saying that the key man risk is particularly high for CBS, given that the investment case for CBS is tightly linked with Mr. Moonves' execution skills. I think it's really notable if you look at both CBS and Viacom shares since the two companies split about 12 and a half years ago. CBS has just dramatically outperformed over that period, whereas Viacom has sunk. So if you look over that period, you know, the share, I don't know if we have a stock chart to pull up there, but Moonves has executed in a way that no one could have anticipated a dozen years ago, whereas Viacom has underperformed the market dramatically. So he's considered sort of the prize CEO here from an investor's point of view, but we'll see how this all pans out in the courts, and that court case is really going to be heard in October.